So today we're going to be talking about the user interface for Autodesk Inventor. We're going to start at the top and work our way down. Right here in this section right here we have open, new, we have open from a file, save, undo, redo. This section right here is called the quick access toolbar. Now the quick access toolbar just does a lot of the things you would normally do with a program. You also have access to them under File. We have right next to the quick access toolbar, we have the appearance browser. All right, right here you can see that this is a cast aluminum surface. If we come over here and choose our part, we can change this to black cast. And you can see that the light reflects off the materials. Right here we have 3D model, sketch, annotate, and across the board here. This right here is the ribbon tabs. Now the ribbon is right here beneath it. Above this, the switch is the ribbon. These are called the ribbon tabs. So like I said before, this ribbon is all of your different commands that you're going to want to use. I can go to Start 2D Sketch, and when I click my work plane here, you'll notice that the ribbon changes from the 3D Model tab to the Sketch tab. All right, and if I draw something here, you'll know that you're in the Sketch tab because right here it says Finish Sketch. Finish Sketch means that you're in sketch mode. So when you're finished sketching your drawing, go ahead and hit Finish Sketch, and it will take you back into the 3D mode, and then you can use like Extrude to make things 3D. Over here we have the browser tree. Now the browser tree will show you the different parts that you have drawn, or it shows you the different things you've done to a particular part. So this part, I have 3 extrusions, and each of those extrusions has a sketch underneath it. Now if I want to change one of these sketches, for instance, this circle's not perfectly centered, I can go and double click on that sketch, and I can add dimensions to this to make it centered properly. So it's nice to use the browser to help you get to the different sketches and extrusions that you have for your drawing. Over here is the view cube. The view cube allows you to move your drawing around. I can click on this and it's like a little joystick for how to view this. If you want to take it back to what was the home view, there's a little house here. You can click on that and it will take you to what was originally the home view. Right here along the side of the screen, we have the navigation bar. The navigation bar has a lot of useful tools. The first one is Pan, which allows you to move your drawing around on the screen. It doesn't zoom in or rotate, but it moves the object across the screen or up and down. The next one is Zoom. There are different zooms. If I want to zoom a selected window, I can draw a window around a spot I want to look at, and it'll zoom in on that spot. You can also use your roller wheel on your mouse to zoom in and out. We also have this right here, which is a 3D orbit. And you can see that a little circle shows up on the screen. We can rotate if we're outside of the circle, and we can turn the object if we're in the circle. In the center, this blue area, everything that's in blue, that is the drawing window. Down here there's a little house. This right here, when we click on this, it opens up the home. Within the home we have this new section. This new section is how you create different parts and assemblies. A part is a single part. So if you think of a remote control, the remote control has different parts. It has the battery cover, the batteries. each part you would draw separately. Then you would pull them together to create an assembly. Right here is this gear. What I use it for is changing the units. So for this one, I call this change units. If we go back down here, we have these different tabs. Each tab is a different drawing that you might have. The last one is the status bar. The status bar is right here at the bottom. If you are drawing, let's say I click on this surface and I go to create a sketch, and then I go to draw a circle, notice it says select the center of circle. So whenever you're not sure what to do, oftentimes look down there to see if that could be helpful.